fluffy tail. I like to eat carrots. I am a bunny. I am very spiny. I eat bark and twigs. I am a porcupine. I have a long, bushy tail. I eat lots of nuts. I am a squirrel. I have a striped tail. I like to eat fish. I am a raccoon. I have sharp claws. I love honey. I am a